Hello guys, thank you for watching this channel guys. Thank you for waiting me. It's been a long time since I post my last video about 3 weeks ago, and then now I wanna make something for especially for STAA 3417. It's about three form tnut, and I will try to make it for him. And let's try out and let me try this. So let's do it. Okay guys, let's try to make this object. First one, we have to create some shapes, and I use this one for the flag. And I use circle, and I go with 100 millimeters, and the other one I go with 40 millimeters. And I finish it, and then I extrude this one with the ground -10, and then I turn on the sketch, and I extrude this one on the center of 30, and enter, and then I go to the top of this face, and I make it a circle again of 30, and enter, and finish it. And then I try to make a thumb hole, and I shoot to the ground, and then he make a hole. Okay. And then I wanna go to create a text on this face. I click this face and I press L on my keyboard, and automatically create a set on this face. I click, and then I go make it some line with 45 degrees and the line about 30. Okay, and I make it a line again. Okay, about 45 degrees. I click like this, and I press OK. Okay, and then I go to make some circular pattern to make it a 3-prong nut. Yes, and then like this. You see guys, and by the request, we have to create 3-prong nut. And then I enter, and then I want to make some line from here, about 5, and line again, and connect it. Okay, and then to the other one from here, about 5, and enter, and line again to the down. Okay, like this, and the other one from here, about 5, and then line again and connect it to the edge. Okay. Okay, and we already finished the sketch, and then first one I have to extrude this tree face to the ground, and then I cut it, and I click OK, and it's already cut it, and then I turn on the last sketch we made, and I go to extrude this 3-prong about I make it about 15. or 20 is okay. Okay. And then I start to extrude. But the first one I wanna make some steps. Okay. And like this. And extrude to cut it. Okay. And make it another one. Like before. Create like this and extrude. Okay. And the other one. Make it like this. Just like this and extrude. Cut. And then finally tnut with 3 prongs. Okay. And then I give some touch for this. I go with a fillet and make it 5 fillet. And then I'm gonna go to the make a thread on the face and model it. And okay. Okay guys, we finished this sketch. You can see it. This is a 3 prong tnut. Okay. Especially for someone who etch on a comment. This is 3 prong tnut. Okay. Maybe I wanna give us some material on this. Maybe I wanna use on a metal holder and I use blue aluminum. Okay. Look at it. Look at it guys. Look at that. Okay guys, easy thing is a fusion to make object like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video guys. I will see you again on the next video. Okay.